we'll talk about three formulas: left, mid and right formula. For left formula, we select the source cell and specify the number of characters required from the left side. For example, in B column we have source data, and we will see how left formula is applied here. We have selected source data as B2 cell, and we say we need two characters from the left side of the source data. So we have got result as AB. Okay. Next we will look at mid formula. Here, for getting the details, we specify the source cell along with the number of starting character and the number of characters required from that starting character. Say mid source data is B4. I say starting number as 3, and I need 4 characters from here. So mid formula for ABC 1 2 3 4 is, it starts from third character C and will give total 4 characters C 1 2 3 4 as a result. Now we will look at the right formula. For right formula, we specify the cell address and specify the number of characters required from the right side as we had defined in the left formula. For example, again we have source data in B column. We'll apply right formula. Select the source data. Number of characters required from right side is 3. We have got 2 3 4. Thank you.